Hey guys, what's up? So now I'm gonna show you how to do this freeze effect. Alright, so let's get started. First you need to select the footage you want to apply the effect to. I will use this footage of me in the desert. Then you need to select the position where you want the effect to kick in. I will do it right here. So click, and now go to this icon and click hold. Make the holding bar a little bit longer, and now we freezed this part of the clip. Then separate the freezed clip from the moving part of the clip. So just set a cut right here and right here. Cool. If you want to apply a text to your freeze effect, go to titles, grab the custom title and put it over your clip. Type something in, choose a font. Same thing as always. Then select the size you want and position it somewhere. So I will do it right here. Very important, make the text effect only as long as the freeze part of the clip. And now mark the text and the clip, right click and create a new compound clip. Why did I do this? So, because now we are going to the crop icon and apply the Ken Burns effect to our compound clip. Do the framing. So I will make it like this. Click done, and now if we play it we can see the text sticks to its position. Now we already got our freeze effect, but to now make it look cooler we need to apply some effects to it. So therefore go over here, and you can actually apply everything you want to your freeze part, but I'll give you some inspirations now. What looks pretty cool is the spot effect. Grab it onto your clip, select its position, and now if we play it, boom, there it is. But I don't want the spot effect to straightly appear, I want a smooth dissolve into my freeze frame. Therefore, go to the first frame of our freeze clip, go to amount and set it to 0. Then add a keyframe, skip like 15 frames, and then again go back to the amount and make the intensity as high as you want. So I will do it until 75. Now let's play it. The effect smoothly dissolves into my frame. And this is basically how it works with every other effect too. You just drag it onto your clip, and there's almost always an amount wheel where you can select the intensity of the effect. Then just go to the first frame, set it to 0, skip like 15 frames and make it then as high as you want. I'll show you some other effects which look pretty cool with the freeze frame. For example, the projector. There I again go to the first frame, set it to 0, skip like 15 frames and I'll make it, let's say 50. Boom. Now we have this jittering effect which smoothly dissolves into our freeze frame. Another effect is the handheld effect. Put it in there, but now it straightly crops into our frame. Therefore again go to the first frame, set the distance to 0, skip like 15 frames and then make the distance as high as you want. I'll make it like 26. And boom. And now to make the effect even more intense, just go to the sound effects, type in whoosh, and select, for example, the whoosh 3. Put it right here at the position when the freeze frame appears. And now it makes this whole effect even more intense to the audience. And this is how you basically do the freeze frame effect. If you have any further questions, just ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.